This is how you use Google on Roku TV. Roku doesn't have a native Google Chrome browser, but there are still ways to access Google tools like Search, Docs, and YouTube. The easiest way is screen mirroring. On your phone or laptop or desktop, go to Settings and then hit on Display. And then from here, just click on or go to Cast. Now, what you're going to do is enable screen sharing. Then on your Roku TV, go to settings and then system and then screen mirroring and make sure it's set to prompt or always allow. Now from your device, cast your screen to Roku. Open any Google service like Search, Gmail, or Docs on your browser and it'll show up on your TV. Another option is this web video caster or browser X, which are third-party apps available on Roku. They're not as smooth as Chrome, but they will let you visit basic sites. Download from the Roku channel store and enter the web address manually. You can also access Google services via YouTube, which is built into Roku. Log in and search with your voice remote for fast access to videos. And that's how you use Google on Roku TV even without a native browser.